Hi everyone, welcome to this lovely video in which you're going to learn how to make foldable zines. Now these zines here are the ones that I've made before, and some of them are inspired by one of my books. So I have actually two books with Juliette Somondo that we made together called My Little Album of Dublin and My Little Album of Ireland. And these books, they're filled with our most favorite things about Dublin and Ireland. Juliette is originally from France and I'm originally from Brazil, and we've made a sort of illustrated book that has lovely things and lovely places up in Dublin and in Ireland. So inspired by these two books, we made lots of different zines for kids, and you can make them too. Hello, I'm Tarsila Krüse and I'm a children's book author and illustrator. And this is Creating with Tarsila Krüse. Zines are a great way to express your creativity and to share your stories. They're all about the things you like. So these two, for example, are inspired directly by my books, My Little Album of Balbriggan and My Little Album of Summer. I made them filled with the things that I really like about Balbriggan, which is a town here in Ireland. It has the seaside, the lighthouse, and obviously I put some funny creatures like seagulls reading because I love books too. And this is the top of Bramore Castle, and that's maybe the dragon that lives there. There's also the pocket park, directions to go to the beach. Maybe you're all going to the library, possibly. This one is My Little Album of Summer. And I put lots of my favorite things that I love about summer. So maybe you can do one about your favorite things as well. This one I have holidays, because I love going on holidays. Fresh fruit, all the lovely fresh fruits that you can eat during the summer. Sea animals, and they don't have to be real animals. They can be made up animals too. And obviously ice cream. It's absolutely my favorite thing about summer. This one is in Irish and it has all my favorite things that I love, but they're all written in Irish, and I made this one with colored pencils. And this one I made like a passport, so full of different European adventures. So I even made a little page for the passport. It has T-Rex, he's from North America, his date of birth is from long ago, and he signed it over here, so T-Rex. But he visited Germany and France and Poland and Italy and Europe in general. Basically, you can do whatever you want in your zine. So I'm gonna teach you how to make one. You're going to need a piece of paper. It could be a regular page that you have at home. This one is an A3, which is basically 2 sizes bigger than a regular page. So it's double the size, but it's very simple to do it. First, you're going to get your page and you're going to fold it in half, like so. And don't worry about making it perfect. As long as it's sort of in half, that's good enough. But make sure that you score the side really well. Then you're going to fold in half again. So you fold it in half once. You're folded in half twice. Make sure to score it really, really well on the edges. And then you're gonna fold it in half again. So 3 times, and this is a little bit more complicated. So if you have a thick page, make sure to ask for some help if you find it difficult. Now, you folded your page 3 times in half. You're going to open once and twice. So it's going to look a little bit like a window. It has 4 panels on it. And it's going to look a bit like a book as well. So it opens on one side, but it's closed on this side. And on this side, we're going to get the closed side. So this side opens, we're going on the closed side, and we're going to cut right here in the middle. So I'm cutting only until the middle of that window and no further. And remember that this side needs to be open. Then you're going to have a page that has a hole.